Hello, Professor.
Hello, Prime Minister. Please call me Maxie, and congratulations on winning the election.
Thank you, and thank you for agreeing to talk with me today.
My pleasure. We have a lot to talk about.
I hear that you have been telling my Defence Minister that an alien invasion is imminent.
Yes, sir. They're coming, and we need to prepare ourselves now. We're in grave danger.
That's preposterous. There's no such thing as aliens. Where's your evidence?
Sir, you need to listen to me now before it's too late.
Goodbye, Professor.
Die, alien scum! Die!
Sam, why do you take such pleasure in blasting me every time?
You're so bad at this game.
Because you're an alien scum.
Aliens rule. Aliens are dumb.
You're dumb. This game is dumb. Aliens don't even exist. Well, all we ever do is play these stupid games.
You're stupid.
I want to do something meaningful in my life.
Like what?
I don't know. But we don't even meet up anymore.
Why don't you become a doctor or a nurse? Or join the army?
What, and become a soldier?
Maybe I will.
Shut up, alien scum. It's time to die.
Interesting.
Oh, what? Oh, no.
Hello, Professor. It's Anton from the National Space Observatory. You're right. They're coming.
I hope they're friendly.
Aliens!
Yes! Yes!
Get me General Olivia!
Hello? Oh, hi, Freya. Have you seen the news? There's flying saucers everywhere. Oh, really? Just like in those games you play? Yes, I'm serious. This is not a game. Yeah, sure. I don't believe you. I thought we were friends. We are friends, but I don't like violent games and silly pranks. This is no prank. Take a look outside.
Prime Minister, we've sent friendship messages in all forms and frequencies, but there's been no reply from the flying saucers. I think we have to assume that they have hostile intentions.
Then this really is an invasion.
I think so. I recommend we strike first. Decisive action could save lives later.
Do it, whatever it takes.
Yes, sir.
Thank you, General.
Why won't the Prime Minister listen? I'm going to have to form my own special force to save the world. I'll need a commando. Finlay's a loose cannon, but he's the best in the world. I'll need a superhuman. Osi has special abilities since his nuclear accident. I'll need an explosives expert. Ollie could blow up a mountain. And I'll need an earnest young recruit willing to sacrifice himself to bring the team together.
I'm not interested in leading your team. I've seen too much death. I'm haunted by the faces of all the men I've killed.
I need you to help me save the world.
I can't do it. I can't kill again.
I understand. The military are launching a first strike this morning. If we're lucky, General Olivia will destroy them.
You're a scientist. You don't believe in luck.
I know.
Are the lasers ready? Then fire everything we've got. What do you mean the lasers have no effect? That's impossible. They were our only hope.
Of course I'll help however I can.
You need me to blow up a flying saucer? No problem.
I'm in. I'll command your team.
Thought you said...
I know what I said. I had friends in London. I'm going to make those aliens pay for what they've done.
I'd like to join your team.
Good. We need a young recruit. How many people have you killed? How many people have you killed with your bare hands?
None.
That's okay. I'll teach you.
Hello, sir. I'd like to make a difference. I want to join your team.
We already have a young recruit. She'll probably be dead soon. Maybe we need to recruit a whole army of youngsters like you. Can you help?
Yes, sir.
Take me to a leader. Beam me up.
Talk, human. Plead for your life.
I want to help you.
You would betray your own people.
They're boring. I want...
Silence, human. We are about to receive a message from Supreme Leader.
My proud warriors, my alien alliance. Soon we will rid the human scourge from the galaxy. It is time to consult the Oracle of Destiny. Wise Oracle, we are about to wage war on the planet Earth. Will we prevail?
That's just a cat.
Silence, human.
Yeah, silence, dummy.
Who you calling dummy?
The Oracle says we shall be victorious.
Yeah!
Yeah!
Yes! There's going to be a lot of post-traumatic stress after this. Phase 1 of the invasion, destroying a major city, is complete. Now the humans know that they have no hope of defeating us. Prepare your laser rifles. It's time to send our artillery into battle.
We'll kill them all without remorse.
There's always remorse. I'm always the one who has to pick up the pieces, such as the life of an alien therapist.
No, I can't do this. This is wrong. What have the humans ever done to us?
Humanity is a disease, and the universe needs to be cured.
Have you seen the way they depict us in their movies and video games?
We're always the baddies.
Besides, with the humans out of the way, we can have their stuff.
Exactly.
Your species are always so weak.
My species formed the Alien Alliance for good, not evil. They made it so that different alien races could work together, not so that they could wipe out planets just because how they depict us in movies.
That was a long time ago.
Destroy Tristan and his weak ideas with him.
What shall I do with this human?
Kill him!
What now?
That's what you get for betraying your friends.
Larthorg, you're my most ferocious warrior. Destroy any survivors in London. Obliterate them.
With pleasure, Commander.
The rest of you, being down to strategic points across the UK. Tom, you better take Reese with you. He's almost as stupid as a human.
Lucky me.
What was that?
I said yes, sir.
Good.
Lucky you.
Revenge!
I'm alive. My head. I need to help the humans.
Die, scum, die! Ozzy, I've got the package!
Are you sure you know how to detonate the bomb?
Just flick the switch on the timer.
You'll only have 5 seconds to get away. I hope that's enough.
Don't worry about me. I'll be fine.
And do you remember where the alien said to plant the bomb?
Right on top of the largest saucer.
That's right. That bomb could split the planet in half. If that doesn't bring it down, nothing will. Good luck.
You too.
Never stood a chance.
We've done it! We've saved the world! Retreat! Retreat!
I can't eat. I can't sleep. We made a terrible mistake.